Good morning, students. Here Neelaman from SCAM Public School. Students, today I'm going to teach you lesson number 1, planning in sports. In the previous video, I have taught you about intramurals, history and origin of intramurals, activities for intramural competition, objective, advantages, significance of intramurals. Today we are going to learn about meaning of extramurals, objectives, advantages, significance of extramurals, types of extramurals here. So our topic for today is extramurals. Okay, so extramural word is a Latin word. Extra and muralis means outside the walls. In other words, these activities are played outside the walls of the institution or school college. Extramurals are the inter-school or college competition. Inter-school or college competitions. Such competitions give the opportunity to the players and athletes of various schools or colleges to show their skill, talent, and bring honor to the institutions they represent. When a team of a school or college is selected after the intramurals and it participates in inter-school college tournaments, that is called extramurals. Extramurals can be of so many types. So we can say the activities which are performed outside the walls of an institution or school are called extramurals. Students of 2 or more schools participate in these activities are called inter-school competitions, also called inter-school competitions. Then these extramurals can be of so many types. First is for like friendly matches. Friendly matches can be arranged so that both the participating teams get the practice and know their weaknesses before playing real tournament. Number 2 is inter-school college matches. These tournaments are inter-institutional matches. These may be city schools, district or inter-district tournaments or inter-universities tournaments. And open competitions. Third is open competitions. Extramurals can be state, zonal or national competitions in various games and sports. So what is the significance of extramurals tournaments? Extramural tournaments provide opportunities to school to show their sports capabilities for enhancing the standard of sports performance, provide appropriate knowledge of sports techniques, improve the opportunities to participate in sports, for making and implementing the programs of physical education more effectively. Then there are also objectives or advantages or significance, we can say, of extramurals. There are various objectives of extramurals. First is to improve the standards of sports. So extramurals improves here standards of the sports. So extramurals tournaments help to lift the level of performance through the athletes and sportsperson gaining experience, learning to prepare tactics and strategies, developing fitness, psychological preparation, etc. Extramurals activities provide opportunity for students to learn new skills which they might not have been previously aware of. The students become efficient in their game by learning advanced skills and strategies when they face tougher opponents. Number 2 is to provide experience to students. So these extramural competitions provide experience to students. Extramurals help students to get introduced in the world of competitive sports. By participating in extramurals, students get experience to face pressure and gain ability to deal with challenges. They train harder when they face more skilled opponents. They become more mentally and physically prepared for further competitions. By continuous participation in such tournaments, students display good performance. Then number 3 is to develop sportsmanship and fraternity. So competitions tend to develop the traits of sportsmanship in students. By participating in extramurals, they get the experience to play with tougher opponents. Through these competitions, they can learn how to accept and manage defeats. Students can understand that it's okay if they lose, but the important part is to get back up and try again. They learn that there is no harm in being competitive, but if they lose, they should show good sportsmanship and accept defeat also. Then to broaden the base of sports. If a country wants to produce great sportsperson, then there needs to be a policy in place where children can be nurtured from a very young age. Extramural competitions provide a stage to students to display their talents. Many students from various schools participate in extramurals, which broadens the base of sports. These kinds of competitions help in finding out the hidden talent of sports persons and help in catching them young. Exceptional players get noticed during these events and they might get the chance to play at national and international levels. Then, to provide the knowledge of new rules and advanced techniques. Yes, in extramurals competitions, they learn about new techniques, rules of games. In place of these objectives, there are also some other objectives, psychological factors. Extramural event help to balance psychological factors like stress, confidence, self-esteem, emotions, and promote qualities like leadership, team building in students. Then other objective is also their level of fitness. As the level of tournament increases gradually, the level of fitness improves. That make an individual physically as well as mentally strong to compete at higher levels. Then socialization. Extramurals develop social skills among students. Students from different backgrounds come together to play against each other. They learn to interact with people from different ages. It gives them an opportunity to make new friends. With more friendship circles, it would help improve their communication skills, increase harmony and unity among students. So this is about objectives, advantages of extramurals. So progression in performance, psychological factors, level of fitness, socialization, and provide experience to students, develop sportsmanship and broaden the base of sports. All these are objectives of extramurals competitions. So in the next video, students, you will learn about specific sports program, sports day, health run, run for fun, run for specific cause and run for unity. As you know, these days it is very common that specific sports programs are organized to make people aware regarding particular cause or any particular issue. These programs are organized with special or specific aim. These programs of sports are not usually related to competitions only, but it has special reason. Health programs create awareness related to a particular disease like AIDS, swine flu, polio, etc., and help in collecting funds for special cause like floods, earthquakes, etc. These specific sports programs are usually organized by the federations, state governments, NGOs, etc. So, students, till then, stay alert, stay blessed. Thank you. Mask yourself, take proper care. God bless all of us. Thank you.